Hello, viewers. Today we cover the topic, Make Money with AI, 3 real methods that actually work. Want to earn money using AI? Here are 3 real methods that actually work, and anyone can start today. These methods need no investment, no advanced skills, and work even on your phone. Let's begin. Method 1. AI content creation. You can create short videos, reels, educational clips, and marketing videos for clients using AI tools. Businesses pay 500 rupees to 2,000 rupees per video, and this takes only 10 to 20 minutes to make. Create 3 sample videos, post them on Instagram, WhatsApp, Fiverr, or use them to pitch local businesses. You'll start getting clients quickly because demand is high. Method 2. AI resume and profile optimization. Thousands of students and job seekers need a strong resume and LinkedIn profile. Using AI, you can rewrite and improve resumes in minutes and charge 300 to 1,000 rupees per client. Offer your service on Instagram, college groups, WhatsApp, or LinkedIn. Students will always need this. Method 3. AI website creation for businesses. You can use AI website builders like Framer, Wix AI, Notion, and Durable AI to create a clean, one-page website in under 10 minutes. Local businesses will pay 1,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees for this. Start with small shops, tuitions, freelancers, and home businesses. Show them a demo website and offer a low price to get your first few clients. These methods work because businesses want fast, affordable solutions. AI saves time, and you provide the service. People are earning daily using the same methods. So these were the 3 best ways to make money using AI. If you want more tutorials like this, subscribe now and comment which method you want me to cover deeply. See you in the next video.